Today, we're going to be discussing one of the most exciting and controversial topics out there, the future of artificial intelligence. That's right. We're going to dive deep into the world of AI and explore how it's going to change our lives in the coming years. Artificial intelligence has come a long way since its inception in the 1950s. Today, it's used in almost every aspect of our lives, from the smartphones we use to the cars we drive. But what does the future of AI hold, and how will it change our lives? The future of AI is exciting, but also a little bit scary. We're looking at a future where machines and computers can do almost everything humans can do, and potentially even better. One of the biggest impacts of AI in the future will be on the workforce. Many jobs that are currently performed by humans will soon be replaced by machines and automation. But don't worry, you won't be replaced by a robot anytime soon. Well, unless you're a telemarketer or a toll booth operator. But AI will also have a positive impact on our daily lives. For example, AI can help us detect diseases earlier and more accurately, leading to better treatment and outcomes. And speaking of healthcare, did you know that a robot surgeon has performed a successful operation without human intervention? It's true. The robot was able to complete the procedure with more precision and accuracy than a human surgeon. AI will also revolutionize transportation, with autonomous vehicles becoming more prevalent in the future. And here's a fun fact for you. Did you know that a self-driving car once got pulled over for driving too slow? It turns out that the car was obeying the speed limit, but the officer didn't realize that it was a self-driving car. We can't deny that AI will change the job market in significant ways. But don't worry, there are some jobs that robots just can't do, like being a stand-up comedian or a magician. Although, who knows, maybe one day robots will be able to tell jokes better than humans. One exciting area of AI research is in the development of quantum computers. These computers use quantum mechanics to solve problems that are impossible for classical computers to solve. This could lead to breakthroughs in fields such as drug discovery, climate modeling, and cryptography. Another exciting development in AI is the rise of virtual assistants. These AI-powered assistants can help us with tasks such as scheduling appointments, setting reminders, and even ordering groceries. But be careful what you say around them. Did you hear about the Amazon Alexa that accidentally ordered 50 pounds of cat food? The owner didn't even have a cat. The future of AI is full of possibilities, but we need to make sure we're using it responsibly. We need to ensure that AI is used to benefit humanity, not to harm it. And who knows, maybe one day robots will be able to do our laundry and clean the dishes for us. As we move into the future, it's important to remember that while AI will undoubtedly change our lives in significant ways, it's up to us to use it responsibly. You must ensure that AI is used to benefit humanity, not to harm it. We must also consider the impact that AI will have on the job market and work to ensure that those who are displaced are given the resources and training they need to find new employment. But let's not forget the fun and exciting aspects of AI. Imagine a world where autonomous cars can transport us to our destinations while we relax and read a book, or where virtual assistants can help us with our daily tasks without ever leaving our homes. And who knows, maybe one day we'll have robot assistants that can do our laundry and clean the dishes for us. While AI may seem a little scary at times, it's important to embrace the possibilities it offers and remember that we have the power to shape its future. So let's work together to make sure that the future of AI is one that benefits all of us. Now, let's talk about how AI is going to improve our lives. AI is already being used in a number of ways, from personal assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars. In the future, AI is going to become even more prevalent, and it's going to revolutionize the way we live our lives. For example, imagine a world where you never have to do household chores again. With AI-powered robots, you'll be able to have your dishes washed, your laundry folded, and your floors cleaned without ever lifting a finger. Sounds pretty amazing, right? But that's not all. AI is also going to improve our healthcare system. With the help of AI, doctors will be able to diagnose diseases more accurately and quickly, and treatments will be more personalized based on a patient's genetic makeup. And who knows, maybe one day we'll even have AI-powered doctors. Now, I know what you're thinking, but what about the downsides of AI? And you're right, there are definitely some concerns when it comes to artificial intelligence. For one, there's the issue of job loss as AI becomes more prevalent. Some jobs will inevitably become automated, and people will lose their livelihoods. There's also the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes, such as hacking or surveillance. But let's not get too bogged down in the negatives. After all, every technological advancement has its downsides. It's up to us to use it responsibly and for the greater good. So, what does the future of AI look like? Well, it's impossible to say for sure, but we can make some educated guesses based on current trends. One thing we can expect is for AI to become even more integrated into our daily lives. We'll likely see more AI-powered personal assistants, more self-driving cars, and more AI-powered healthcare solutions. But there's also the potential for AI to change the way we work. As more jobs become automated, we'll need to rethink our workforce and find new ways to provide for ourselves. And who knows, maybe we'll even see the rise of a universal basic income. So, there you have it, a brief overview of the future of artificial intelligence. It's an exciting time to be alive, and the possibilities of AI are truly endless. But we must also approach this technology with caution and responsibility. As long as we do that, we can look forward to a bright future filled with intelligent machines and endless possibilities. And with that, we've come to the end of our video on the future of artificial intelligence. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Be sure to leave your thoughts and comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on technology and its impact on society. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the future.